Is your business operating currently with modest resources? Perhaps you're in the middle of a storm with multiple demands, making the ability to stand back, get some perspective and evaluate the status of your business and brand a bit more challenging. Are you adapting, evolving, or changing what you sell? Has your product or service been disrupted by significant market changes, or is it at risk of being disrupted? Then now is the time to reevaluate your options using a brand audit. You likely have a huge amount on your plate with 100+ demands requiring your attention and a lot depending on you. The truth is, it's very difficult to be truly objective and get mental clarity when you're immersed in the day-to-day running of your business. This is the typical scenario of many modestly resourced businesses, even without the avalanche of challenges in a hostile market. If this describes your business, then you're the person for whom the Persona Lean Brand Audit has been specifically built. The Persona Brand Audit process has been developed as part of the Persona Brand Building Blueprint to evaluate a business strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for innovation and growth, so you can make much more informed choices. The objectives of the Persona Lean Brand Audit are to reevaluate your business and brand through the structure of the Persona Lean Brand Audit system. Identify your blind spots and vulnerabilities. Recommend where to leverage new trends so you can thrive on market stress and hostile trading conditions. Capitalize on latent opportunities and new areas for innovation so you can grow your revenue consistently and faster. The Persona Brand Audit process leverages 20 years plus of award-winning expertise, working with customers worldwide, many of which are household names. Used by successful businesses globally, it enables you to identify and leverage the best options to a lean approach so you can both mitigate risk and grow your business robustly. The outputs give you clarity because the brand audit report produced from the brand audit process informs you on how to effectively identify and meet your ideal customers' unmet needs so you can successfully move forward. In hostile trading conditions, brand audits become an even more critical part of your toolkit because the outputs inform key decisions, enabling you to better survive, potentially thrive. The Persona Lean Brand Audit typically enables you to achieve reevaluation of your business model and productization so you can adapt to the changing market and your customers' unmet needs. Clarity in relation to your strengths, weaknesses, and inconsistencies. An appraisal on how to show up in the market in terms of who you are, what you stand for, and what makes you really different from a customer point of view, so you can make what you offer more compelling to your ideal customers. Better identification of your competitor space and sector drivers so you can leverage more lucrative and/or channels of profitability. External evaluation of your image and perceived reputation. Refocus of your resources, management, and congruence. Identification of deficiencies in your brand strategy on and offline. Evaluation of your brand positioning relative to your competitors. Correction of your misalignments internally versus externally. Appraisal of your brand collateral across all touch points, on and offline, for consistency and congruence. Identification of potential opportunities for new products or services development so you can grow your sales. Direction enabling you to potentially future-proof your business and brand strategy so you can mitigate risk. The fact is, brand audits, whether they're a full-scale in-depth process or a lean execution, are a critical tool because they equip business leaders to manage the different life cycles of their business and brand effectively. Even without hostile trading conditions, they should be done regularly as a tool within your business processes so you can ensure you've proactively built in resilience. Brand audits vary in size and scale because they're driven by time, resources, and the size of the organization engaging in the brand audit process. This persona lean brand audit has been specifically developed for those without the advantage of large budgets, substantial teams, or the expertise of big enterprises and experienced C-suite level marketeers. So if you're a business leader, decision maker, business owner, manager, or entrepreneur with modest resources, then the persona lean brand audit is for you. You can do this now by working with us through the expert-led persona lean brand audit process. It uses the proven persona brand building blueprint systems and brand audit templates that get results fast. This is the time to take action quickly before it becomes too late to adapt and turn things around or move forward strongly. Access the persona lean brand audit here so you can build a stronger, resilient business. Be the one. Unstoppable in uncertainty.